Looking for premium market opportunities, presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, the Australian share market is poised to open higher, and that's a despite weak start on Wall Street. The global markets have been spooked by COVID protests in China. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 will open 9 points higher or 0.1% higher. Yesterday, the benchmark index ended 0.4% lower at 7,229 points. Moving on to business news now, and Santos and Brickworks have agreed binding terms to extend domestic gas supply to 2035. The new long-term agreement starts in January 2025 for another 11 years, with the potential for further extensions beyond that. Brickworks has more than 1,000 employees in Australia, producing around 500 million bricks each year on the East Coast. That's enough to build approximately 50,000 houses. Santos Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer Kevin Gallagher says the deal is important to Santos because it provides long-term cash flows to fund future drilling and development in the Cooper Basin, eastern Queensland and at Narrabri, which will bring desperately needed new gas supplies to the East Coast domestic market. Rail freight operator Aurizon has delayed its decision on the divestment of the East Coast rail business to next month. Aurizon advises that work is still progressing on a dual-track process for the divestment, either by trade sale or a demerger, with a decision to be made in December. ECR is the One Rail Australia coal haulage business, with operations in New South Wales and Queensland. At its AGM on October the 13th, they said the decision would be made in November. Immutep has signed a clinical trial collaboration and supply agreement with Merck, Darmstadt, Germany and Pfizer for a new phase 1 clinical study in patients with urothelial cancer called Insight 005. Urothelial cancer is the 6th most common cancer in the US. Insight 005 will be an investigator-initiative explorative open-label study evaluating the safety and efficacy of Immutep's lead product candidate, FT, in combination with alumab in up to 30 patients with metastatic urothelial cancer. The study will take place in Germany. It's time now for a short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's daily crypto catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from Anchor to Zerocoin.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Taking a quick look first at global markets now. Now, over on Wall Street, the Dow Jones fell 1.45%. The S&P 500 dipped 1.54% and the Nasdaq ended 1.58% lower. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 fell 0.7% and the FTSE dropped 0.2%, with the CAC dipping 0.7% and the DAX ending 1.1% lower. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside of Japan was down 1.5%, having slumped 2.2% at the open, pulled lower by a sell-down in Chinese markets. Oil prices remain mixed as they recovered from heavy intraday declines amid speculation OPEC could cut its output. Oil remained deep in negative territory yesterday, with WTI crude dipping 3% to $73.99 a barrel. Brent crude fell 2.86% to $81.24 a barrel. Gold prices fell on account of a rising US dollar. Gold traded slightly lower, with spot gold at $1,749 an ounce. That's all for the ASX Breakfast Report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading and stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.